So someone was complaining the lift is always using force while closing the door. So I come on site. This is what I find in the slots. This is too much. This is what I find. Look at this stone here. This is a lot of dirt. Yeah, my ears. This is like a rubbish pit. Here, working. Look who decided to show up. Whose family? Haha. What's a group of monkeys called? A kilabu? Monkey do? So you're a gardener monkey. We are installing the cabin. Those are the cabin walls out, but before I need to show you these brace rods. Yeah, these ones are used for supporting the platform in position and provide extra support to prevent the car safety from bending. Yeah, they are put on each side of the platform before putting the cabin. Yeah, everything has to be tightened. Yeah, these ones are all set here, this side and this other side, and everything is good to go. Hey, this is the cabin top, this is the ceiling, that one there is the cabin. This one is going to go on the cover on top here. Katonguvule serebu. So I'm under the pit. I'm under the cabin. I'm in the pit. Now this lift has been making weird noises. I had to remove the guide shoe. This goes here. I had to remove it to check whether there are stones inside here. Still looking for the source of the noise, but only to find out when you look under here. I don't know if you can see it. There is a stone there. This one here. There is a stone there. Here. I don't know if you can see it properly, but there is a stone. Are you seeing the stone? That stone there, that one. It got stuck in the safety docks. So it has been rubbing against the guide, making noise. And now here we are trying to chip off extra concrete. Now counter it was rubbing against the wall. Yeah, we used the drilling machine. It stopped working. The carbon brushes wove, and now we have to use a chisel to use it by hand. But good enough, we first cut the wall using a grinder, and it's now easy to chip off. Yeah. There has to always be a solution. That's the purpose of engineering. shaft over there. This is the cabin top. Abe. Now this is our cabin. Before putting the cabin top, that one there. It's going to go on top of it. Our ceiling lighting. That is our yellow barrier stand. These are our fans, the blowers. Yeah. And that's our cabin over there. This is our overload unit. Cabin top. It's a little messy. In a short while, it's going to be worth it. It is noisy around here, but don't fix that last time. And anyway, we are also here. We are fixing the cabin walls. Yeah, we are testing it. Good. Good. Okay. What is going on? So we have a new site here. We have a new shaft. That's our 3-phase cable. Yeah, we shall direct it to the power room on the outside. New shaft. I think we have here transparent glass to be seeing the view on the outside. There's still some construction going on, leveling. But this is our shaft. Yep, it's going to have glass doors, transparent glass doors. And now here I am going to be trying to check the double doors. So I had to first switch off the door common, and now I have to open it manually since I don't have anyone inside the cabin to press the open button. But this also gets the same results. So what I do, I open the door manually, and that's the retractable vane in the rollers. So what I do, to see if they move well, no knocking, I turn back on the door command just like that, and the door comes automatically, closes well, and that's good. We are in the store, and this is all you can see. Those are brackets over there. These are chair brackets in the box, not yet touched. Yeah, it is lunchtime. We are relaxing in our store. You can see everything, boxes. Those are our cabin walls over there. Yeah, those are our counterweights. That's our main control panel. Yeah, that's the view around here. This is what you see every day, Monday to Sunday. Those are extra boxes. Alright, now this is the concrete being mixed from the outside by hand. This is a small amount of concrete, no need to get a mechanical mixer. We're trying to fix contour buffers, not contour buffers, but rather pitch buffers. Yeah, for the lift. And over here, with our shaft, there is someone down in the pit. You can see already the woodwork is done, and it is in position. All thing left is to bring the concrete and pour it in and let it set, and then remove the wood, just like that. So what's up? Now this is another lift. Yeah, this is the setup. So this is the platform. Yeah, it is a small lift, 4 passengers. Yeah, its capacity is for 4 passengers. This is the platform. Something I like about it, do you see this control panel here? Yeah, this is our control panel. Now on the outside, when you are coming, you can't even notice that there is a control panel. You see that? Until you come here and open this marble. Yeah, this is good engineering, you see? Yeah. This was artistic because you can't even know. See? Good job. This is the source of the shakings in the elevator cabin. These steady clamps are loose. Yeah, this has been happening for a while. This is what happens when you don't do the elevator service in time. But we're going to fix it. What you see right now is us doing elevator inspection wiring. This is our control panel on the outside, and this is inside the shaft. Yeah, we have the electricians up there doing their magic while they wait to test the lift and then remove the scaffoldings. Yeah. So here we have operation of the compensation chain, and you can see the cabin is going up while the counterweight is coming down. Yeah, and over this way, this is our lower speed governor pulley. There are two, one is up, this is the bottom one. Yeah, the purpose of this chain is to always keep weight on the cabin in case there is no one inside the cabin, so that it always has weight in it. Yeah, when the counterweight is coming down and the cabin is going up, by default with the compression chain, the cabin is always carrying the weight of the chain. That way the cabin is not always empty. Ow! So again, here we are testing the double opening, but now this time round, this door is center opening. You can see doors are opening going both sides. The other first clip, it showed us the doors going on one side. Yeah, but the results are the same. We turn off and on our door common, and we see whether everything is working well. Turns out everything is good and ready to put on high speed. Out here is doing, nevertheless we get the job done. We have been chipping for the counterweight in this lift. Now you can see this is all the debris that has been collected in the pit. Yo, that's our lift there. There has been a lot of debris down there. I'm trying to clean it out. It was a mess. Oh my god. These are our tools over here. It is very dusty. What's going on? So we have been fixing our compensation chain. You can see it is being held by the main hook, and also there is some extra rope for just in case, unforeseen circumstances. I am under the cabin. Yeah, these are pulleys, the ropes. So this is the extra material just cut off. Yeah, Yeah, little setup. This one prevents it from swaying to go in different directions. It's not touching the ground. There is some gap actually. Kidoki. Yeah. This is a cabin top. We have just finished putting it. And right now we are tightening it. Yeah, with these bolts here. And the holes here. Yeah, we're going to do that all the way around. And our door operator will sit on top here, and there. The next part after tightening the top is putting these steady clamps. Yeah, they hold the cabin in position. They will be going there and there. Thumbs up. What's going on? So we are on another cabin. This is the lift, about 15 floors up there, and now as you can see, this is the COP. I like to install the cabin when it is already there. The reason being, if you install the cabin when it is not there, and once everything is done, you find when the CP can't fit. Yeah, for some reason it doesn't fit, and you have to go back down and open the bolts behind there and extend the walls. So better way, I fix the cabin when the CP is there. Easy removal, easy fixing, very quick. This is our top speed governor pulley. Yeah, we are going to be fixing it up on the machine base, and then we send the rope down to the lower governor pulley, and that makes the system complete. This pulley here is going to be sitting over here, and these holes are where it is going to be tightened from. Yeah, just like that. And now next step will be to get a steel rope and pass it through all the way down. Let's get that done in a minute. Over here we are fixing the infrared door sensors. You can call them the door curtains. Yeah, these are the ones that detect people when they are in the way of the lift. People or materials, we fix these on the door panels. Yeah, just like that, and everything will be all set. Yeah, this is how they go there, and then they tighten them with the screws. Very, very important part of the elevator door. What's going on? So we are on another cabin here. These are our boxes. So the running plate and the fireman. Landing plate, push and top, fireman over there. Okay, that's one lift there. This is this one here. Now you can see these weights here. They are on the platform before the cabin is done. The reason being is that this lift is very tall. This is a tall building. I would say about 15 floors. So the counterweight was very heavier than the cabin, the platform. So we had to first put in some weights while we get enough weight to balance. After, we shall remove them. What is going on? Yeah, I'm a little lost, but you can see the reason why. I'm a little busy here installing door frames.
and we don't have a concrete wall. We have concrete blocks and they are hollow, so I'm a little bit occupied and I can't get time to film good videos for you. You see that our welder is busy doing his magic. Okay, yeah, you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Those are elevator walls. That is our lift shaft. It's the mirror.
Touch that there. This side.
Safe? Okay. Hey, hey. Ih, jangun. Oli teweetaaga nnyo testa. What? Bino ogisuule bulungi okebere awali amasanzi nawe watali.
After marking the positions of our landing boxes, it's now time to make the holes where our cables will attach with our landing plate. Step by step preparations to make sure everything is safe to So after the hoisting, the most crucial part that happens next is alignment. And while doing alignment, we come while tightening these joints to make sure everything is strong and seamless. Yeah. Alright, so we have been roping. One end of the ropes is done, and now this is the other end of the ropes, and we are trying to make rosebuds and then pour that wax into the rosebuds. That the ends of the ropes are complete and ready for final termination. what is going on. So you can see here the elevator car safety. You see this one, it is already installed. So what is left is roping. So those are our pulleys. You see, we have covered them in plastic polythene so that soil doesn't go in the grooves. You see, yeah, this is our pulley. So tomorrow we are going to be roping. You can see these are the grooves over here. You can rotate. Okay, so that is it. This is the shaft, and it is suspended on the chain block. You can see, yeah, roping is next. Stay tuned for more. So we just finished roping and we finished doing inspection wiring, and this over here, this is our shaft. Yeah, you can see the pit is a little messy from all the wirings and whatnot. And over here on the left, this is the counterweight. So the moment you see the counterweight down, it means the car safety and the platform are up. Yeah, these two, they move in opposite directions, and that's the upper part. You can see it all the way up. Yeah, everything is going well and according to plan. And this is a random video at site. Yeah, they are trying to wire and put shaft lights and sockets. Yeah, this will help us doing installation process and to get power during servicing time. Yeah, this is the electrical team trying to do their magic. This is a random video. Okay. Zero.
Under 50 seconds.
Okay.
What is going on? Yeah, it's another quick video. I'm here servicing the elevator, but you can see these are the magnets that tell the lift that you are on level, but they are dirty right now, and these sensors over here, they may not be able to see it, so I'm gonna clean this off. Okay, just like that. You see the difference? This is the dirt. Yeah, so when you're in service, you have to clean them properly. Okay, there are others here, or you can use a small brush like that. You see, very easy, quick. You see this dirt here, you remove it, or you use a brush, so that when the elevator comes to level, okay, you see, it gives a good light. Smash the thumbs up. Yo, this motor was having bearing problems,
because we had to open it up and fix the bearings, and now it is time to set back the brakes and put it back in service. Yeah, this marks the end of our video clips compilation. If you watched up to this far, I appreciate you so much. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next compilation. Ciao, take care of yourself.
Nobody